Welcome back. If you've been looking for affordable ways to enhance your camper van, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some creative and cost-effective DIY camper van upgrades that will take your van life to the next level. From comfort improvements to functional additions, these upgrades are perfect for budget-conscious adventurers. Let's start with flooring. Replacing your camper van floor with vinyl planks or peel and stick tiles is an inexpensive way to add style and durability. These materials are easy to install, clean, and come in a variety of designs to match your taste. A new floor can instantly elevate the look and feel of your camper. Lighting is an easy and impactful upgrade. Swap out old fixtures for LED strip lights or puck lights to brighten your space. These lights are energy efficient and can create a cozy ambiance for evenings on the road. Battery-operated or USB-powered options make installation hassle-free. Upgrading your storage doesn't have to be costly. Install DIY shelves, hanging organizers, or foldable storage bins to make the most of your space. Magnetic spice racks, underbed storage drawers, or even repurposed crates can keep your essentials organized while maintaining a minimalist vibe. Enhancing your seating and sleeping arrangements can dramatically improve comfort. Add memory foam toppers to your mattress or reupholster cushions with durable, washable fabric. Throw pillows and blankets are budget-friendly additions that add a touch of luxury and coziness to your camper van. Why not upgrade your kitchen setup? Install a compact pull-out pantry or magnetic knife strip to save space. Replace standard faucets with a touchless or pull-out model for convenience. You can also add a foldable countertop extension for extra prep space when cooking. Exterior upgrades can enhance both functionality and style. Add a roof rack or DIY awning for shade during outdoor stops. Adhesive solar panels are a budget-friendly way to power small devices. For personalization, try vinyl decals or a fresh coat of paint to give your van a unique look. Thanks for tuning in. Which of these budget-friendly upgrades are you excited to try? Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camper van tips and DIY inspiration